Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Joker88. We have another episode of Let's Talk Elio. Take it away. Hey guys, it's been a while since we've done an update for Elio. The last news that we've got, I went ahead on Google here and I typed Elio Motors News 2018. Most recent stuff, of course, is their blog. And the next one is from May 11th of this year. It says that from greencarreports.com. It says that Elio Motors says it will build production cars next year. And then April, don't forget that big news from overstock.com that they got $2.5 million. So it's been a while since we've got anything from Elio. And let's look at what's been going on recently at Elio. So their website still has the exact same stuff. Targeted base price of $7,450. And they still are taking reservations. And on my side, I haven't heard of anything that is significant to tell you. Except for, we still get our current momentum stuff. And the bottom here, they have a quick link now to the momentum stuff. And this was from August 1st, 2018. And it says, moving forward, a plant update. And this is that plant that's out there in Shreveport, Louisiana. They want to give us an update on what's going on with the Shreveport plant. Last week, the leads for several of our suppliers partners met with Elio Motors engineers and manufacturing employees. Wow, I didn't even know they still have employees. Maybe they do now. To discuss the strategic milestone and integration as we work towards the start of production. The meeting was led by the Vice President of Manufacturing and Product Launch, Gino Raffin. And they focused their meeting on the integration for the body and paint shops, general assembly, conveyance, controls, and manufacturing integrations. Okay. So, according to Elio, is that their partners and their employees are moving forward to focusing on the next steps of the process. And they said that it's going to be tedious. But it's funny because I think according to Mr. Lin out there in Shreveport, is that they sold everything in the factory.
The ground. The reason why the plant was purchased by Stuart Lichter is because it was a complete plant. If you go back and you watch the videos of the initial meetings, they wanted the plant because of all of the equipment in it, and it was a turnkey operation. Well, since that time, they have sold everything out of the plant, and the plant is completely empty. There's not a single thing in there.
Pardon me, Matthew. When you say everything, you mean literally everything. If I go out there right now, it's nothing but there will be an echo to beat the band.
You are correct. There would be an echo to beat the band.
Talking about turning an idea into reality. It's complex with many, many different moving parts. Yeah, we know. As we work on the next round of funding, my question is, what is happening with that money from Overstock? I mean, $2.5 million?
The $2.5 million that was granted him by Overstock, that would be, for instance, if Robert or Aaron, you were going to go build you were going to go build a mansion somewhere, and I said, well, here, let me help you. Here's a penny. Mm-hmm. It's a drop in the bucket for what he needs to get that off the ground. The reason...
Right. I mean, after the news that we've got... let's go back to the homepage. After we got the news from there, I thought that we would have more news regarding about what that injection of money has done to, the Elio. No updates on that part. Again, the next one on August 3rd, the Elio retail strategy. How are they going to be selling their cars? All right, so they talk about, the upcoming NFL seasons, talking about what the plans are in regards to they have all the retail centers here where you can order your Elio. There's one in Hawaii, none in Alaska. Wow. Forget about Idaho, right? Montana, you're not going to be able to order one. You're going to have to go across state. They put a map up where they're planning on having these retail centers in the U.S. Well, that's cool. So, I don't know, my take. I still would like to know more details about, what's really happening. Well, I guess they really can't tell us that. So people like me and you that put in $1,000 and made our reservations from years and years back, we still don't know what's going on. They say they're producing, but they're not producing. So they got more money from Overstock, I know that a company like Sam, if the company like Sam can get $2 million in as an investment, the $2 million is going to go a long way and get you guys your Sams in your garage, as soon as possible. So, I don't know how many millions has Elio gone through. I know a lot of millions. So I know there's other companies out there with just an injection of, with just a $2 million startup. I mean, can get you going, and get you past that proof of concept, and not just we still don't see any progress with the E series, right? That's supposed to be the prototype series, E1, E1C, and all that stuff. So nothing there. Yeah. So, anyways, I wish I can give you guys a better news and update, but that's all we got here. And if there's anything else that you guys, if there's anything that I missed, go ahead and comment below and let me know. And thank you for all the support, guys. You guys have been awesome. I wish we have better news, but I guess that's gonna have to wait. I will talk to you guys later. This is Joker88. Talk to you later. Bye.